Hey sis, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup look using my #1 most used product of 2001. I wish. Hey sis, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I did a makeup tutorial using my #1 most used product of 2021, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I swear by this, guys. This is my favorite product of 2021. When I say I use this every single day since I got it, it's pretty much done. So if you are interested in how I achieved my everyday makeup look using this tinted moisturizer, then just continue to watch. Alright sis, so as you know, this video is dedicated to my #1 brand of 2021, Maybelline. The most used product actually that I've used throughout the whole year is the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. This is as natural as you could get, very lightweight, natural ingredients, still gives you a flawless coverage, perfect match. Everything about this product I love. It's almost empty, guys. It's almost empty, and I'm sad, but this was literally a whole year's use of product, so I'm not mad. And when I tell you I've used this every single day for work, just to go out on the road, even when I want to have a base and kind of just do a little bit more with my makeup, I still pulled for my tinted moisturizer by Maybelline. It was just something about this product. So this is going to be the star of today's video, and then everything else is going to be Maybelline products. So I'm going to start off by concealing. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 55. I'm going to use this to conceal underneath my eyes. If I were to recommend anything for beginners, a specific brand, I would definitely recommend Maybelline. One, because it is super affordable, especially when it is on sale. Two, their products are very good for their price. I know there's some drugstore brands that, you know, they're very cheap, but their products are not up to par. This, I could say, like, could be really up there with like high-end makeup brands. So that's another reason why I would recommend this brand. And three, they're black girl friendly. You could find just about any shade in this line. So I'm a big advocate for Maybelline. I'm hoping for one day for Maybelline to sponsor a girl, because since I've been into makeup, I've always had Maybelline at the top of my list. It's always been a brand that I reach for. Whenever something new comes out, it's like, I'm getting that. Maybelline, I'm getting it. So I am gonna go in with my tinted moisturizer. Again, guys, I do have a full review on this tinted moisturizer. I'll leave it in the cards above so that you guys can check it out. But I use this daily, guys, daily. I use it for work. And I like it because it's also skincare, so it has aloe in it. So aloe is very soothing. If you have any type of redness, or even if your skin is sensitive, aloe is very calming and will just soothe your skin. Like right now, as I put it on, my skin just feels very hydrated, and I just love it. As you guys can see, this is how it is looking. If you are a beginner, you would love this just because it's very lightweight. You don't feel like you're putting on a lot of product. It feels like you're putting on lotion or a face cream. Although it has a very light tint to it, it still gives you a nice flawless coverage. So this is the coverage right now. I also love the finish. It's not too sheer, but it's not too matte. It's just very natural. So I didn't have to worry about getting oily too much with this product. It's something about it, guys. Something about it I just love. So to highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in Cafe, and I'm just gonna use this to highlight my face, my under eye, forehead, nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm gonna take a damp beauty sponge to blend it out. One thing I like about their concealers, it's not a full coverage concealer, but it still gets the job done. I would say it's about a medium coverage concealer. You could always build it up by going in with another layer. I'm gonna go in with one more layer just in the inner part of my eye here where I have my darkness, just because I want a very full coverage in that area. I don't want my dark circles to be peeping through. So this, of course, is another one of my favorite products, guys. I would say this is my top two. My number 2 most used product of 2021, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Medium Deep. I just love this powder because it's not a banana powder, but it still has that yellow undertone. It's not too yellow, but it still has a very subtle yellow undertone, which I love in a powder. So I've always been reaching for this one, which explains why it's almost done. So I'm just going to use this to set my under eye. Alright, so we're going to skip cream contouring. We're going to go in with some powder. So this is the Fit Me Loose Powder in Deep or Dark. I always forget what it's called. Dark. And we're going to use this to powder contour today. I'm just going to lightly contour. Alright, for my all over powder, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. This is in the shade 355. And I'm going to use this to apply all over my face as my finishing powder. I need a brush. This is another one of my top products, guys. This is the second one I've gone through for this whole year. And when I say I love this stuff, I love it. So that is it for complexion. I'm loving my complexion, guys. I don't know if I want to do an eyeshadow. For blush, I'm going to go in with my Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Berry. So I'm going to do my lashes off camera, and then I'll be back just to finish up the rest of the look. Alright sis, lashes are on, so I'm going to use my mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and use this to blend my natural lashes with my falsies. And then I'm going to also apply it to my bottom lashes. Alright, last but not least is the lips. So I've been loving the Maybelline Lifter glosses. I have a few of their shades, but this one is one of the ones that I use more often. This one is in the shade Moon, and it's like a nice sheer pinky type of nude lip gloss. And I love the smell of these as well, guys. And that is it for this look, guys. Very simple, easy, neutral, everyday makeup look using a tinted moisturizer. Not even a BB cream, a tinted moisturizer. So definitely beginner friendly. All the products I use are very affordable, beginner friendly. I'm thinking of doing a beginner's makeup kit video for the new year, guys. So be on the lookout for that. But that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a happy new year. I can't wait to see you guys in the new year. Can't wait for another year around the clock with you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Actually, I'll see you guys next year. Bye, guys.